Good morning, all of you. In our previous class, we learned about arithmetic progression, and in that arithmetic progression, the first term, second term, and the common difference, and the general form of the nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of the numbers. If the first term and the common difference given, then Sen is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If the first term, last term given, then sum of the numbers Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, and sum of first n natural numbers Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That one we have to learn. Now, if here we observed the another series, if that is 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on, and 5, 25, 125, 625, and so on. Now here, if these two series to observe, so arithmetic progression means what we learnt from a fixed term is adding with the first number by their consequent terms, we get the arithmetic progression said. So that purpose the common difference is equal. Now here if we observe, the common difference between the first two terms is 4, and the second two terms is 8, and the third two terms is 16 there. But here the common difference is not equal. But here if we observed the terms will be looking like some nearest same model only. So how means if we observed 4 to 8 coming means if here we have to multiply 4 with 2, then we get 8. Now that 8 is multiplied with 2, then we get 16. Now the 16 is multiplied with 2, then we get 32. So that means the next term also we can expect 32 to 64. So the next term is 64. Similarly, in the second example, if we observed, here also the common difference is not equal. But if we observed 5 is multiplied with a fixed term of 5, then we get 25. Now this 25 is multiplied with the next number 5 to constant term, we get 125 the next number, and this 125 is multiplied with the fixed term 5, then we get 625. So that model we can expect the next number. That means here we observed for that first term to a fixed term is multiplied. By multiplied of the fixed term we get the next number. So the next term coming in this model, then this model series is called geometric progression. By multiplied next term will become means that is geometric progression. Now in this geometric progression, the first term is indicated by a1 only, that is a. Second term is indicated with a2. Third term is indicated with a3. Fourth term is indicated with a4, and so on. And the nth term is indicated with an. Now here if we observed, here that multiplied number is same coming. That means how we get that the multiplied number from that these two numbers means here if we divide 8 with 4, then we get 2. Same model, 16 divides with 8, there also we get 2. 32 divides with 16, here also we get the same number 2, fixed one. Here also 25 divides with 5, we get the 5, the fixed number, and 125 divided with 25, here also we get the fixed number 5. Next 625 is divided with 125. Here also we get the fixed number 5, and here this fixed number will be coming by dividing. So division is nothing but the form of ratio. That purpose that fixed number is called as common ratio and indicated with the letter R, common ratio. So now here these terms A1, A2, A3, A4, that model taken means the common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1, second term by first term, otherwise third term by second term, A3 by A2, otherwise A4 by A3, and so on. We can write an by an minus 1, nth term by nth term to one number subtracted term that before preceding term an by an minus 1. So now here if we observed means now the first term is multiplied with the common ratio, then we get the second term AR. Now here that second term is multiplied, that means A2 is multiplied with the constant ratio, constant term R, then we get the third term. Here A2 is nothing but AR. So AR into R, that is equal to R into R means R square, that is AR square. Now A4, that fourth term coming purpose, third term multiplied with the constant fixed number, that is equal to A3 into R. That means we can write A3 means AR square into R, that is nothing but AR cube. So the general term an is equal to, from this we can write a into r power. So here power 4 there means power 3 there, power 3 means here third term means power 2 there, for second term means power 1 there, first term means here there is no constant term, that means here that nth term to one number preceding to the term. So we can write an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. It is the general term or general form of the geometric progression. Geometric progression means it is a list of numbers in which first term is non-zero, each succeeding term is obtained by multiply by preceding term with a fixed non-zero number r except first term. So here that fixed number is called as a common ratio. For the geometric progression, the first term a1 equal to a, second term a2 equal to ar, third term a3 equal to a2 into r. That fixed term R2 multiplication do a. So here a2 is nothing but ar. So ar into r, that is nothing but ar square. In this model, if we written means the nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So this nth term is called general form of geometric progression. So here the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, second term by first term, otherwise third term by second term, a3 by a2, up to so on. If we want to write means an by an minus 1, that nth term by its preceding term ratio is nothing but common ratio, the division doing means. Now here I want to given a problem, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved in the form of geometric progression? That is the question asked. So here given information one formed geometric progression or not. That purpose here given a problem, number of bricks needed to make each step. If the staircase has a total 30 steps, provided that bottom step need 100 bricks and each successive step needs 2 bricks less than the previous step. So here the step making purpose we need 100 bricks and the next successive one here to 2 bricks less we have to do. So okay, the bottom step needs bricks equal to 100. For every successive step, less with 2 bricks. So it will bottom 2 means we fill first step bottom 2, then the bottom 2 second step needs bricks is equal to 100 to 2 less. So 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. Now the bottom 2 third step needs bricks is equal to 98 minus 2, that equal to 96. Now here this information observed 100 minus 2 98, 98 minus 2 96. So here if we observed here common difference is same looking, that means it forms arithmetic progression, not geometric progression. So here common difference is same, so it forms arithmetic progression. That means the given information is not forms geometric progression. Therefore the given information not forms geometric progression. Here given the problem, salary of Sharmila when her salary rupees 5 lakhs for the first year and expected to receive yearly increase of 10%. Now this information forms geometric progression or not, that is asked. So Sharmila's salary that is the first term A equal to, that is nothing but principal amount 5 lakhs every year increasing, salary at the rate of 10%. So that R is nothing but 10%, that is here we taking, and here we have to find nothing but compound amount principal. So the compound amount that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So here 1 plus R by 100 whole power n take it. So here n is nothing but number of times, that is years. Okay, so at that first year she received 5 lakhs. So second year she received salary A2 is equal to 5 lakhs into 1 plus R 10 by 100 whole power 1. So whole power 1 means that one only. So 10 ones, 10 tens, 100. So 1 plus 1 by 10. So 5 lakhs into 1 plus 1 by 10. So 1 plus 1 by 10, if we do LCM, that is 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 5 lakhs into 11 by 10. Now at that third year she received salary A3 is equal to 5 lakhs into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole square. So here 2 years after, that purpose whole power 2. So 1 plus 10 by 100 is nothing but 11 by 10. So 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 whole square. That means 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now this information to if it will be in GP or not, checking purpose we have to find common ratio. Then the common ratio is same, then the given information is in geometric progression. So the common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 by 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs gets cancelled, that means we get 11 by 10. If we do A3 by A2, that is 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 by A2, second term is 5 lakhs into 11 by 10. So 5 lakhs into 11 by 10, 5 lakhs into 11 by 10 both will be gets cancelled and we get 11 by 10. Now here in these two terms observed, 11 by 10 is the common value. So that is the fixed value, common ratio is same. Therefore the information forms geometric progression. Here the given information is perimeter of the each triangle when the midpoints of an equilateral triangle whose side is 24 are joined to form another triangle whose midpoints in turn joined to form still another triangle, and the process continues indefinitely. That means here given the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 24 centimeters. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 24 centimeters given. Now perimeter is nothing but sum of the sides. Here given equilateral triangle, equilateral means here the sides of the triangle all are equal. So now the side of the triangle is nothing but the first term A1 is equal to 24 by 3, that is equal to 8 centimeters. So the side of the first triangle A1 is equal to 8 centimeters. Now here what is given? So here midpoints of this triangle are joined means another triangle will be formed. So the midpoints, so midpoint is 4 centimeters. So that 4 centimeters to drawn one. So side of second triangle, that is A2 equal to this to half. 8 by 2 is equal to 4 centimeters. Now the side of third triangle, that midpoints to joined one. So midpoint is nothing but half only. So that means A3 is equal to 4 by 2, that equal to 2 centimeters. So on we can write. Now if this information to observed 8, 4, 2. So here the common ratio finding. Why? Because they are in our geometric progression or not purpose. So R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. Now A3 by A2 doing, that is nothing but 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Now here if we observe, the common ratio is same only. That purpose the given information forms geometric progression. So the given information forms geometric progression. Given the problem, which of the following list of numbers form geometric progression? So here the given numbers form geometric progression are not asked. That means here for these numbers we have to find common ratio. If common ratio of these terms are same, then the given information forms geometric progression. So that purpose the given the first term a1 equal to a equal to 3 and the second term a2 equal to 6, the third term a3 equal to 12. Now the finding the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is 6 by 3, second term 6, first term a, 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. Now the third term by second term doing a3 by a2, that is 12 by 6, 12 by 6 is also nothing but 2. So here the common ratio is same, therefore the list of number forms geometric progression, therefore it forms geometric progression. Okay, here given another list of the numbers 64 minus 32, 16 and so on. Here in this series the first term a1 equal to 64, second term a2 equal to minus 32 and the third term a3 equal to 16. Now it forms GPR not purpose finding the common ratio. R is equal to a2 by a1, that is nothing but minus 32 by 64. So 32 ones, 32 twos, 64, that is minus 1 by 2, the common ratio. And the third term by second term a3 by a2 is equal to 16 by minus 32. So 16 ones, 16 twos, 32. So 1 by minus 2. So here numerator to or denominator to any one to negative symbol there means that we put to the numerator only, that means it is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Now here if we observe both the terms common ratio is same, that means the given information forms are geometric progression. Okay, now the next series is 1 by 64, 1 by 32, 1 by 8 and so on, that is the series given. Now here in this series the first term a1 equal to 1 by 64 and the second term a2 equal to 1 by 32 and the third term a3 equal to 1 by 8 we taken. Now the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that equal to 1 by 32 by 1 by 64. So here denominator to a fractional form there means their reciprocal to we have to multiply. That means what happened, 1 by 32 into 64 by 1. So 32 ones, 32 twos. So that is nothing but the common ratio here 2 came for that first two terms too. Now the second two terms to observed a3 by a2, that is 1 by 8 by 1 by 32, that equal to 1 by 8 into its reciprocal to multiplication, that is 32 by 1. So 8 ones, 8 fours. So here we get the common ratio as 4. If we observed both the terms too, the common ratio is differently came 2 and 4. So therefore it not forms geometric progression. Okay, so the given information is not forms geometric progression. Now the another problem, if we observed they given it one as 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. Now in this series the first term a1 is equal to 1, second term a2 equal to 4, third term a3 equal to 9, fourth term a4 equal to 16. Now if we find the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4 only. Now the third term by second term a3 by a2 is doing, that is 9 by 4. It is in fractional form. Now the fourth term by third term a4 by a3 is doing that is 16 by 9. It is also fractional form. Here we observe all terms to the ratio is not same. Therefore, it also not forms geometric progression. Now the next problem is given as 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 and so on. Now here in this series, the first term a1 equal to 1, second term a2 equal to minus 1, third term a3 equal to 1, fourth term a4 equal to minus 1. Now here we find it will be in geometric progression or not purpose. Common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is equal to minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by 1 is nothing but minus 1. Next, the two terms a3 by a2 ratio finding, that is 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. Next, the two terms, the fourth term by third term a4 by a3, that equal to minus 1 by 1. Here also we get the common ratio minus 1. Now here all terms to observed we get the ratio minus 1 as same. That means the common ratio of this series is same. So common ratio is same. Therefore, it forms a geometric progression. Here given, write the three terms of geometric progression when the first term a and the common ratio are given. So here the first term a equal to 4 given and the common ratio are equal to 3 given. So now here the first term a equal to 4, then the second term a2 is equal to, that is a into r, that is first term into r, that equal to, so first term a equal to 4 into 3, 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. The third term, the second term is 12. The third term a3 is equal to a2 into r. The second term is 12 into r. The common ratio is 3. So 12 3 is 36. Okay. So here we get the first term 4, second term 12 and the third term 36. So now this will be done in the general form model. Now the given first term a1 is equal to 4. Now the second term a2 is nothing but a into r, that equal to 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Now the third term a3 is equal to, that is nothing but ar square, by the general form. So here a equal to 4 into r, 3 whole square, 3 square is nothing but 9. So 4 9s 36. So in this model also we have a chance to do, but any model we get the same result only. Now, so in this any method we have a chance to find the terms of that geometric progression. Now the second problem is given as first term a equal to 1 by root 5 and the common ratio r is equal to 5. So the first term a1 is equal to 1 by root 5 and the common ratio is 5. Now the first term a1 is equal to a equal to 1 by root 5 and the second term a2 is equal to nothing but a into r, that equal to 1 by root 5 into the common ratio 5. Now 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. So root 5 into root 5 by root 5. So root 5 gets cancelled. That means we get the second term as root 5. Now the third term a3 is equal to, that is nothing but second term again multiplied by r. The common ratio, the second term is root 5 and the common ratio r is 5. So root 5 into 5 is nothing but 5 root 5. So these are the first three terms of the series 1 by root 5 and 5 root 5. And now the next problem, the first term a equal to 81 and the common ratio r is equal to minus 1 by 3 given. Now here we have to find the first three terms. So first term a1 is equal to a equal to 81 and the second term a2 is equal to a into r. So the common ratio is minus 1 by 3. So 81 into minus 1 by 3. So 3 27s 81. So 27 into minus 1 is minus 27. The third term a3 is equal to a2 into r, that equal to minus 27 second term into the common ratio minus 1 by 3. So 3 9s 27. So minus 9 into minus 1, that is nothing but plus 9. So the first three terms of this geometric progression is 81, minus 27 and 9. Okay. Now the next problem is given as the first term a equal to 1 by 64 and the common ratio r is equal to 2. Now we have to find the next two terms. So total three terms we have to find. So the first term a1 is equal to a equal to 1 by 64. The second term a2 is equal to a into r. That means 1 by 64 into 2. So 2 32s 64. That means the value is 1 by 32. Now the third term a3 is equal to a2 into r. The second term is 1 by 32. So 1 by 32 into 2. So 2 ones 2 16s 32. That means the third term of this geometric progression is 1 by 16. So the first three terms of this geometric progression are 1 by 64, 1 by 32 and 1 by 16.